Hi everyone, today is Monday, April 15th, and this is your Monday morning forecast for the central United States. I think the big story today is going to be that throughout the southern United States, it's going to feel very much like summer, and we do have a chance for some severe thunderstorms in central Texas, and then actually pretty nice weather, at least to start the week, in the Great Lakes in the Midwest. But there is some cooler weather on the week for the second, or on the way, I should say, for the second half of the week. So let's start off with a look at the map on this Monday morning. We have an area of low pressure that's coming out of the Rockies, and it's just ahead of that we have the chance for severe thunderstorms, basically from Nebraska all the way down to central and south Texas. For the eastern half of the country, that front does bring some showery weather, but it won't be terribly wet along the path of that front. It's south of the front that it feels like summer, then north of the front it feels very much like spring, but probably more like May temperatures, not April, so a little warmer than we should be. That will change. It's going to feel like March, a few steps back here by the end of the week. 70 today in Detroit, 61 in Cleveland, a little bit of a lake influence there off of Lake Erie, 69 in Grand Rapids, and 68 in Chicago. But look at these 80s for highs in Cincinnati, Louisville, Memphis, and over there toward Nashville. Everyone peaking in the mid and upper 80s this afternoon. You actually get a little bit south of Nashville. It's probably going to feel a bit humid. So we are spring-like in the Midwest through at least Wednesday, probably Thursday, and then it is those two steps back that I was talking about. It's going to feel more like March for the weekend with highs maybe only in the 40s. You'll feel that for sure in Chicago because we are, after all, the windy city. So those highs in the mid and upper 40s will probably feel like 35 to 40 by this weekend. Not what you want to hear if you're trying to get toward that spring weather and get it to stick around. 86 today in Wilmington and Nashville, 81 in Charleston this afternoon, about 84 in Atlanta, 81 for Memphis, New Orleans, and Dallas. I was saying earlier, those must be the lucky lottery numbers, 8 and 1. We'll see. As we look ahead here with our 7-day forecast for Charlotte, it is going to be a warm week. You got highs above 80 through at least Friday, but then a cool down eventually reaches the southeast by the end of the weekend, where highs are probably going to be a good 15 degrees cooler than where they are here to start the week. 79 in breezy today in Fort Lauderdale. You know that if you're at the beach, that 79 will feel quite a bit cooler, but just wait a day or two because we got those temperatures climbing through the 80s as the week goes on. We'll end up in the mid and upper 80s by the upcoming weekend. All right, folks, that is your Monday morning weather update. I do hope you all have a great start to your week. And remember, as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.